Bitcoin holders alert. Bitcoin double dip incoming? Don't be fooled. A double dip might be coming, but there's also a hidden signal you need to see right now. Welcome back, everyone. This is Josh. Right now, Bitcoin is holding above a crucial support level around $99 to $100,000. But the US stock market is pulling back again after a short-term bounce. This isn't great news for crypto as it's triggering a potential double dip. Bitcoin dips, rebounds slightly, then dips again. Keep in mind, short-term bounces in crypto right now are just that, short-term. Overall, we're lacking bullish momentum, and the market is likely to see more choppy or downward movement in the coming weeks. Looking at Bitcoin on the weekly chart, the super trend is still technically green, but the larger bearish divergence we've been tracking for weeks is still in play. What does this mean? Expect weakness, limited bullish strength, and at best sideways action, or a small pullback continuing over the next few weeks or months. On the daily chart, Bitcoin is still holding support around $99,100K. If it breaks below that, the next levels to watch are $97,000, then $93,94K. On the 4-hour chart, the short-term trend is bearish, but we might be seeing the beginnings of a bullish divergence forming in RSI. If this confirms, we could get a short-term relief rally, a slight bounce or sideways consolidation, but not a full trend reversal. Ethereum is in a similar situation. It's holding support at $3.053.1K, still within a bearish trend of lower highs and lower lows. Short-term bounces are possible due to oversold conditions on RSI, but this isn't a signal for a major trend reversal. Solana is holding around $143.147, with potential support at $135 and a major downside target near $125.126. XRP shows a bullish divergence on the daily chart, which could trigger a short-term bounce, but it's still facing pressure from the larger bearish weekly trend. Chainlink is weaker, having broken support at $1.521, $570, and could see further downside to $1.341, $350. In short, altcoins might hold up slightly better than Bitcoin in the immediate term, but overall, the market trend is weak. Don't expect a big altcoin season unless Bitcoin stabilizes first. Even in this bearish environment, there are opportunities. Strategies like a grid bot, buying at lower prices and selling higher in a range, can help accumulate Bitcoin during dips. Shorting or going long at strategic points is also possible. The key is to watch critical support levels and manage risk carefully. For Bitcoin, the immediate support is $99,100K. A break below that opens $97,000 and then $93,94K. For Ethereum, watch $3.053.1K as support, with resistance near $3,400. Solana support is $143,147, XRP resistance $230, $240, and Chainlink support $1.341, $350. These levels will guide short-term opportunities and help you navigate potential double dips. So, the takeaway is this. The market is still in a bearish phase, largely influenced by the stock market, but short-term relief rallies or sideways movements can provide trading opportunities. Watch support levels, stay prepared for dips, and be ready to act when a bounce occurs. Remember, the double dip is real, but so is the chance for smart, strategic plays. Don't get fooled, stay alert, watch the charts, and plan your moves carefully.